CTS was fantastic. Came in and got everything done on time and were efficient. Very personable. Greg's easy to work with. They got the materials in when they said, and it was completed in a fantastic way. So in my master bathroom, we have a very long countertop in there. It's about 160 inches, and it had a seam down the middle. This was a pre-existing home that we bought. So to break that up, a friend of mine who's a designer, Michelle Harrison, had the idea of taking a racing stripe up the wall. So we would take white quartz on one side, white quartz on the other, and then black quartz with a slight white marble through it up the wall. We replaced the mirror, so we have one mirror on one side, one on the other, and then the black up the wall, and he finished that flawlessly. So I love how it turned out. We used the rest of the black in the laundry room. And there's 2 countertops in the laundry room. He also did a nice little shelf on the inset on the right-hand side because we had some extra pieces. So it's very utilitarian in there, but it kind of gives it a nice, clean look in the laundry room that's more exciting than just white. Sinks in the master, I just wanted rectangular, white, just very simple, to kind of also let that racing stripe stand out. So yeah, he knew exactly what I wanted on that. I just had to tell him, and in a pinch, he was like, yep, you got it. Yeah, so the bathrooms upstairs for my kids, I just wanted something that was, again, we went with quartz, and I wanted something that had a little bit of movement in the material so that when you choose all white, it shows a lot. And so with the kids upstairs, I thought it'd be great to just have a little movement pattern in the slabs itself. Highly recommend CTS and Greg Strange. They run a fantastic business, and they're very organized. He's got great people behind him that keep things moving and rolling. And today when things, with contractors, you don't know sometimes what you're getting. And so I think with him, it's a for sure deal. Like you can trust what he says, you can trust their timing, and I highly recommend it.